For a company that focuses on the "it just works" aspect of its devices, I certainly had a lot of troubleshooting to do to get the iPhone hotspot working with my Mac. My iPhone was connecting perfectly to the Mac, but there was zero internet. After going down a frustrating rabbit hole, I finally found 3 fixes that worked for most people, and the third one is the one that worked for me. If your iPhone hotspot is connected to your Mac but not working, this might fix it in minutes. The first solution you should try is setting the IPv6 protocol in the TCP/IP settings to automatically. To do this, use the Apple menu to open the System Settings app and open the Network Settings. Now, click the Wi-Fi option. Click on the Details button to open Hotspot settings. Click on TCP/IP and ensure that Configure IPv6 option is set to automatically. See if that fixes your internet issues. If it doesn't, move on to the method number 2. In Network Setting, click to open the 3-dot menu. Now, click on the Set Service Order option. Now, all you need to do is click and drag the Wi-Fi to the top of the list. If this still doesn't fix your internet connection issues, move on to the third method. This is the method that worked for me, and it's pretty easy to execute. In the network settings, right-click or control-click on Wi-Fi and use the Delete Service button to delete it. Now, open the 3-dot menu at the bottom and click on the Add Service button. Select Wi-Fi from the drop-down menu and click the Create button to re-add the Wi-Fi services. Finally, connect to your iPhone hotspot and it should work without issues. And that's about does it for this video. Let me know which of these methods fixed your iPhone hotspot internet connection error. If none of them work, leave a didn't work comment and I will try to find more solutions for your problem. Thank you for watching and I will catch you in the next one.